takes a full ultimate coming in.
Triple.
And he's able to get himself out for Pobelter. A good hit. He uses the wild growth, but there's way too much EG on the fight right now. The quadra kill coming in for Allpack.
High five. Good job, dude.
Need some chicken up in here in this dizzle. Frizzle my mizzle like the salt on the frizzle.
Frizzle?
Frizzle.
I thought it was shizzle.
But you can only perfectly play 4 members so long. Wait, he levels, but he gets stunned right at the end there.
No, we can't reach if we're trying.
Have you guys considered going to American Idol and dropping out of League?
The cavalry has arrived for Team Solo Mid. They're about to instill some true Bay life on this game. Looking for the Nexus. The 1v1. The last shot for Turtle.
One last thing. Hey, Westrice.
What?
Happy birthday to you.
So far into the Shockwave! Shockwave on to Bubba W is the only one that got hit there. He goes down though. LMQ is trying to turn things around and they just put the iron down.